Here's a convertible to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2004 Volkswagen Beetle convertible. One owner car, clean Carfax. Original miles, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. Has always been in our area here. Summer driven, adult driven only. Miles on it, 57,476. Sundown orange will be the color of this. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Goodyear radials, correct Volkswagen wheels. It does have a power top. We'll put that up at the end of the video. Let you check that out. Has a dark charcoal or black leather interior to it. A few accessories that will come with this vehicle. It does have the windscreen, as you can see. Also your convertible top boot. And in the trunk there is a front end cover. Protect it from chips and bugs and what have you. Of course, bucket seats. Center console with the automatic shifter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Come around and take a look at the rear. AC does blow cold in this car. Technicians that went through it noted that. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Over 120 pictures of this vehicle online on our website. At the end of this video, you're also going to be able to see a video, kind of give you a bird's eye view of what it would be like to ride in this vehicle. Another thing I would like to mention is we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you can't make it to look at this car yourself, like somebody else to take a peek at it for you, maybe because of distance or time, not a problem. Of course, without the windscreen in, you would have the seating for the rear seated area. Nicely equipped here too, so we do have power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Take a look at the seating surfaces. Not much wear on those. And again, one owner, clean Carfax. Just a little over 57,000 is all in this one. Summer driven and adult driven. There's your exact miles, 57,476. We're going to fire this up so you hear it run. I have had the stereo working here. We'll click that on quick. Monsoon stereo system. And fuel gauge working. As you can also see, tach is working. The blue temp lights on there just because it was just started. It was a cold start. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Nice shape. A little warning chime since I don't have my seatbelt on. And the center console. I'll slip around to the back of this thing. Maybe hear it run. Awful quiet. Again, 4-cylinder, and these are front wheel drive. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the top up on it so you can take a look at the condition of the top. You'll also be able to see it in the still picture. So give me a second. I'm going to get the top up. Let's check that out. All right, a couple things. I wanted to pop the hood here too so we can take a look at the engine bay. So there it is. 4-cylinder turbo, 1.8 liter. Running nice and smooth. Nice, clean, and tidy under the engine bay, and then also you can see the hood liner. This car does not appear to have been driven in any sort of inclement weather. So like I said, it has been local to us the whole time. Summer only car. And here's a look at that top. So we have black fabric top. It is power top. Top functions as it should. I put the side glass up too so you can see nice fit there. I'm assuming this top has probably been down more than it's been up. glass rear window, also rear defogger. No rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you out of the sun or maybe out of a pop-up garden variety shower. Gonna serve the purpose just fine. 2004 Volkswagen Beetle convertible, one owner, clean Carfax, little over 50,000 miles. Remember that 3-month 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. Give us a call. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2004 Volkswagen Beetle. This is an automatic on the center console. This is a turbo and you can feel that acceleration. Good acceleration from this little Volkswagen. The odometer is reading 57,477 miles. This is a convertible and we do have the top down. Comfortable car. Bucket seats. I am 6'1" and I can fit in this car just fine. Our fuel gauge is reading just under 3/4. If I let go of the steering wheel, this vehicle stays nice and straight in the lane. Air conditioning is blowing cold. Factory stereo working well. This Beetle corners well. Very easy to drive, nimble little Beetle. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.